Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's not a real super sport car, but it's dressed up to look like one. It's finished off in a tuxedo black paint job. I would say it's about 5 to 7 years old on the beautiful black paint. The motor is a 396 big block. As you can see, it's got the Edelbrock aluminum intake, a Holley 4-barrel carb, aluminum water pump, chrome radiator. As you can see there, aluminum radiator, chrome alternator, chrome valve covers, and the booster master cylinder has been all dressed up. Nice car, guys. Big, huge fan on it. Sounds really good. Pretty clean engine compartments. Right. It's got a really cool stance on the car. Upgraded wheel and tire package. Power steering, front power disc brakes, dual sport mirrors on both sides. Clean. Nice reflection in the paint. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. Bucket seats. Console car with gauges. Door panels look really good. Dash is excellent on the car. No cracks whatsoever. Old-fashioned cassette radio, triple gauge package, and the clock there on the center console that came in 1966. Ooh, are we going back in time, guys? This thing does sound good. Let me check if that hood is closed properly. All right, we are ready to go for a little test drive here. This one's got tilt wheel as well. All right. So every car here at MGM goes through the inspection process. So you can call us and we can tell you more about the car as well after that process. But you got great oil pressure, no overheating issues with the big aluminum radiator. Transmission shifts good. The car's not perfect, guys. You know, it's not an $80,000 Chevelle. You know, I did point out a flaw in the paint with my finger in the photos towards the back, just a little flaw. It could be corrected and fixed. It's not a problem for about $300 or $400, but it's there. It's not perfect. Transmission shifts just like it should. Brakes feel great on the car. You will need to fix the speedometer though. Okay, that's one thing you'll have to take care of. I did put Rain-X on the windshield just in case you get caught in the rain. MGM is located here in Addison, Illinois at 150 South Church Street. We're about 25 minutes northwest of the Chicago O'Hare Airport. Feel free to come check us out. If you need financing, go to our website at mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application. And if you need delivery, you can call me or text me. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGMClassicCars.com.